every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! We're gonna need 900 grams of chopped tomatoes, 500 grams of penne, 100 grams of pancetta cut into small dice, 20 grams of freshly grated parmesan, 2 cloves of garlic sliced, 6 grams of fresh parsley roughly chopped, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, a pinch of hot pepper flakes, and salt and pepper. I started by filling a large pot with cold water which is coming to a boil, and while it's happening, I'm going to start on the sauce. I have a large skillet which I'm preheating together with the olive oil over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the pancetta and cook it for 2 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. Now, I'll add in the garlic and hot pepper flakes and cook for 1 minute. In go the chopped tomatoes. Once they come to a boil, I'll reduce the heat to medium-low and cook for 20 minutes. Halfway through is actually the perfect time to generously salt the water and cook the pasta to al dente. Once the sauce is done, I'm going to season it with some salt and pepper, add the parsley, and mix it in. After draining the pasta, I'll put it back to the pot along with half of the sauce. Just because I cooked only half of the pasta, I'll use the rest of the sauce later. And half of the parmesan. Now the only thing left to do is give everything a big stir. And that's it. Oh, the photo shoots of the food. I totally needed to top it up just so that I would have some, really hot food, because pasta must be hot. This looks so tomatoey. As I don't really even see the pancetta, it kind of looks like it's only tomatoes. Oh, there, I see pancetta. Wait. My mouth is watering though, because whenever you have bacon, you know the sauce will be bomb. Okay, now this is a modest bite. Oh, it is tomatoey and bacony. Kinda reminds me of something. One of Laura's recipes, I'm sure, but now at this point, which recipe is this? I can't really remember. Isn't there another like super tomatoey but bacony at the same time recipe of hers? This is good. I mean, honestly, if you have bacon, can the recipe fail? I think not. Oh, this is totally my dinner. And as you can see, I'm like literally eating with you. I think I should just wrap it up. If you like tomatoey sauces and if you like bacon, I mean, this is like a jackpot. This is actually even cool. Ooh, am I getting the hang of these things? This is really cool. I've been craving for some pasta dish, and this just came perfectly, didn't it? This is a really, really satisfying dinner for me. This is all I'll share that news with you a little bit later. If you want to watch Laura make this recipe, the link is there. If you want to try this recipe yourself, the written recipe is in the description box down below in both American and, Imperial I should say, and the metric systems. So whatever you're using, you're covered. If you want more pasta recipes, you can see the playlist right now. And that's it. I'm gonna have and enjoy my dinner. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was fun and helpful, and I will see you soon. Bye!